I know you're inside, just open the door. I wanna talk to you. I wanna say thank you to you for visiting a party. I know you were in there. Thanks for visiting party. But what you did with my girlfriend and my friends was. I'm letting you. I know you are new in the town, but you don't know me. I have seen stuff in person. I have seen bad stuff. It's last warning. Yes. Yes, your money you spent it in party. I I don't wanna see you around my house or around my friends, around my girlfriend, around anyone. This is last warning. I never let go people.